Under what legal regime, legal basis are you using to keep him there? We are not saying that Dr. Besigye is clean. He could be having a case to answer. But he should be taken to the proper court for him to be able to answer.
The release of Colonel Kizza Besigye will be ordered by the court, the appropriate court, when he is taken before that court.
Honorable Mao, when you look at Article 23 of the Constitution, protection of personal liberty, no person shall be deprived of personal liberty except in any of the following cases: in execution of the sentence or order of the court. Now here, the court ordered that Dr. Besigye should be what? Released. Now you're depriving him his liberty.
Madam Speaker, first, I hope this Parliament is persuaded that we did our duty as the Ministry of Justice. We did our duty. We responded very quickly because these letters which we wrote were about the Supreme Court.
We are at pain. We are at pain, Honorable Minister. We are at pain. Madam Speaker, is it in order for the Minister, who is a Member of Parliament, to come here and instead of debating like a minister, is debating like the chairman of the court martial? Is it in order, Madam Speaker?
Honorable members, we need to solve a problem. And the problem we need to solve is about an ailing person. And secondly, using a law which is not there to keep somebody in detention when somebody is on pre-trial.
Honorable Speaker, there's only two ways that somebody can be held in any government jail. One, when you have been convicted
After
and sentenced,
conviction.
whether it be to life or whichever number of years, legally speaking. Number two is when you have been remanded by a court of competent jurisdiction.
Remanded.
Those are the only two ways under which somebody can be in any government jail. It is not, as some have said, a hostel. It is not some kind of hotel or I don't know what. It is only those two legally provided for means. Honorable Speaker, we have asked again and again, after the Supreme Court decision.
So basically, this video was posted by Garisonga on Twitter or X, and he was like her or hate her. Of course, he was referring to Anita Among. Like her or hate her, but the speaker articulated the spirit and letter of the law on liberty under the Constitution better than even the Minister of Justice. And in this case, the Minister of Justice is Honorable Norbert Mao. So she was not okay with the way they detained Kizza Besigye. So she wanted to know why Kizza Besigye is still detained. I think you understand here what I'm saying. So, and even you can see, Joy Sonyen also brought out some of the conditions under which someone can be detained after being tried, then also after being remanded. So let's see what people are saying about this. Let's see what people are saying about this. We can have like 4 people. Like LK Simon Mao, no, but Mao is class apart man. Anita Mong is camouflaging to make her appear good over a sudden by trying to betray Norbert Mao. This is a very cheap logical game. So in other words, Among is like to likes or is trying to make Mao look like a bad person. Hey, you can see the paint that picture she's painting. It's like Mao and the team. They are the ones who have detained Besigye. So this is what this guy is saying. That Mao is a class apart, but Among is trying to camouflage by betraying Mao. Nicholas Muhumuza is like, you all are still sleeping on how Anita Mong is playing 4D chess with Mao. This 4D. You know, most of us know 3D. That in this case, Mao and Anita Mong, they are all playing a 4D chess. And people are not seeing it at all. They are on the same page, but playing the game differently. So this is what Nicholas Muhumuza is enlightening us on. That you're still sleeping on how Anita Mong is playing 4D chess with Mao, grading him on the legal basis for holding Besigye. She looks like a justice champion, while quietly barring his speakership bid. Classic Ugandan Parliament chess, reverse psychology masterclass. Yeah, so basically that is. Then we also have Amanya. Amanya is like, now it's evident that Honorable Speaker is using Kizza Besigye to prevail against Mao's speakership intentions. This is what we talked about. There is a way Anita Mong is making Mao to look like a bad person. This is what Amanya is saying. That now it's evident that Honorable Speaker is using Kizza Besigye to prevail against Mao's speakership intentions. What a coincidence to bring about KB at this time, as it's well known that executive SEC members sat yesterday. Wouldn't the same matter have been recent? Mr. Museveni is the one losing here. This is serious. I like this. Thomas Obita is like, what is it about this old stuff that has all of a sudden become a matter of concern at this time? Didn't Kizza Besigye appear before the court referred to eventually? The good speaker and her agents should stop panicking. The minister is not a threat, as they have declared already. So in other words, this one is trying to imply that they are trying to make the minister a bad person in this thing. Hey. So they want him to be on a losing side. You get? That is serious. Then chess addict is like, we all know the motive behind this. Besigye has been in prison since last year. Why now? Exactly, even a kid can see this. The way Among is pressing Mao. This is serious. Very serious. Wafire Brian is like, as Ugandans, we should stop being uselessly impressed by silly gimmicks. Taiwa was sent to explain to the people of Besigye why he was still in prison by the president during the elections. Instead of directing silly gimmicks to Mao, let them call out the president and his son. Stop playing silly gimmicks. So here they are making Mao a very bad person, as if he's the one who is in between Besigye's ladies. What do you think about this situation? Yes, take a candle with comment section. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.